Hi, Dawn Joseph here with the Right Foot Fitness. So one of the things I commonly hear about after a day on the slopes of skiing or snowboarding is about knee pain. So obviously make sure you've done a bit of a warm up and some stretches and rolling out when you come in, but something else you can definitely do is roll your calves out. So those calves are working really hard as you're out there in your ski boot, uneven surface, everything right around those lower legs is working really hard. So grab yourself a tennis ball, keep it somewhere where you'll remember, and just roll around on those calves. Get right on the belly of that calf and you can work on to where you really feel those tight spots. If you find you get like a real knot and it's almost fighting back, work around that area and then work onto it. If it doesn't feel like enough pressure, then you can take your top foot and place it on top and just work around, and you can easily sit on those little spots and try and work out the tightness of that calf with your tennis ball.